In the next 60 seconds, I'm gonna show you a protein shake that kills cravings and boosts your metabolism. The shake is delicious. It can help you stay lean and healthy all year round. After a long day, most people wanna watch Netflix and eat a bowl of ice cream. Does this sound like you? Instead, you can drink this one shake that supplies your body with the protein and nutrients it needs to thrive. No more cravings, no more sweet tooth, just protein, vitamins, and minerals. And here's the thing, it tastes just as good as ice cream, if not better. You might think I'm crazy, but I am telling you that you can squash cravings, beat the sweet tooth, and stoke your fat-burning engine with a protein shake that is organic, delicious, creamy, and made from things you can find at the grocery store today. So let's get to it. I'll show you how to make the best tasting metabolism-boosting protein shake in the world. So what's the best protein? First, you've got to pick a high-quality, trusted protein that will give your body the amino acids it needs to stoke your metabolism. Warning though, you should avoid inflammatory ingredients. Inflammation can cause poor gut health, slow metabolism, and even poor cognition. We want to avoid this altogether. That's why there's no dairy in this recipe, no whey protein. Instead, we're going to choose a high-quality collagen protein. Not only will collagen help you fight against inflammation, it will fuel your metabolism and give you the non-essential amino acids you need to promote skin, hair, nail, joint, and muscle health. For our collagen choice, we are going to go with zuCollagen protein by UMZU. zuCollagen is the highest quality collagen protein available for a few reasons. First, it's hydrolyzed, meaning it's already broken down into its component amino acids. This will help you digest the protein and actually get more benefit from your protein. When looking for a collagen supplement, always choose hydrolyzed. Second, zuCollagen contains 5 collagen types. There are actually 26 different types of collagen, and the human body can benefit from supplementing with 5 of the types. Most collagen products only offer you type 1 or type 3 collagen. For the same price, zuCollagen will give you all 5 types you need. Third, zuCollagen comes from 4 different sources. Most collagen products come from bovine or cows. Bovine is a great source of collagen, but by ignoring other sources, you are ignoring the additional benefits those sources offer. For example, chicken collagen is rich in type 2 collagen and the anti-aging compound. Fish collagen is rich in hydroxyproline. Eggshell collagen is rich in hyaluronic acid. We want all of these in our metabolism-boosting protein shake. So, zuCollagen protein is the best option all around. It also comes in both unflavored and chocolate brownie flavors, so whether I want to taste my protein or not, I always have an option. Now let's add a little flavor. Let's go with vanilla. Vanilla adds a smooth, familiar flavor that may jog some childhood memories, but it's also loaded with magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Now let's add some coconut. Coconut is fragrant and refreshing, but it will also add in some MCTs, which have been shown in research to help support fat burning and metabolism. Now for some raw cacao for a rich texture, chocolatey taste, high iron content, and additional good fats. All right, now that we've got the base, let's fill it up with some fruit. I love using blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries with a banana in each smoothie. Why? Because this gives a rich and balanced profile of additional vitamins and minerals. Now you may be wondering, why all that sugar? Sugar gets a bad name, but in reality, fructose from fruit plays a vitally important role in your thyroid and metabolic health. In fact, fructose can actually help you lower blood sugar. The benefits of fructose in nature are evident. Bears break from their diabetic hibernation by eating honey. In an analysis of animal brains based on diet, frugivores actually had the most complex and developed brains. So we'll want some fruit here in our metabolism protein shake. One metabolism-boosting vitamin we're missing here is vitamin D. Not only will vitamin D help you lose fat, vitamin D will help keep your bones, joints, and teeth strong. Now, the best source of vitamin D is from the sun, but since I can't put the sun into this shake, I'll add some organic fresh mushrooms. You can also add some vitamin D3 suspended in MCT oil, which I'll do as well using UMZU's vitamin D3. Finally, we'll fill this shake up with some sweet coconut water and blend. A lot of people make protein shakes. The problem is they ignore the most important parts of building a truly healthy one. The first is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the fuel to all of your body processes, including your metabolism. They're crucial to you feeling good and having high energy. The second is the protein itself. Most people opt for whey protein. The problem with whey is that it's often hard on the stomach, contains harmful levels of lead, cadmium, and artificial sweeteners. What's more is that whey contains amino acids that are already very prevalent in your diet if you're not a vegan. It's far more worth your hard-earned money to get the amino acids that whey doesn't provide. And that's why we went with a collagen protein. Collagen is filled with amino acids like glycine, proline, hydroxyproline, and hyaluronic acid that will help you fuel your metabolism, sleep better, strengthen your hair, and even clear up your skin. So why do most people tend to choose whey? The price. Whey is a byproduct of dairy manufacturing, so protein companies can easily charge less for whey than other protein options. But cheaper doesn't mean it's better. What's great about zuCollagen protein is that it's extremely affordable for the quality and benefits driven by the product. All right, smoothie is done. Wow, you guys have got to try this. The chocolate brownie zuCollagen mixes so well with the berries, the coconut, the cacao. Wow. After this, I'm gonna be so satisfied. My cravings will be gone and I'll be stoking my metabolism naturally, all for just around 450 calories. If you wanna stop turning binge watching Netflix into binge eating ice cream, and instead you wanna start fueling your metabolism, hitting your protein targets and getting all of the vitamins and minerals you need in a delicious, creamy, and nutritious protein shake, then click through to view the exact recipe in this video and pick up a bag of this amazing zuCollagen protein by UMZU.